Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you what to do if your SONY Xperia L1 is overheating while charging. So first, it is completely normal for your phone to heat while it's charging, but we can minimize that. So the first thing to do is using the original charger and the cable. Then avoid using your phone while charging. Just leave it on the nightstand and let it charge properly. Remove the case of your phone. As you can see, I don't have any case, but if you do, then remove it and charge in a cool and ventilated area. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.